This mansion cost over 100 million, but wait until you see what's hidden behind these doors. Welcome everyone and welcome back to Elite Estate Tours. Today's feature is something truly extraordinary, a property that doesn't just set the standard for luxury living, it completely rewrites it. What you're about to see is widely regarded as the most luxurious home ever created in the United Kingdom. A private residence so opulent, so exquisitely designed, and so far beyond conventional terms of wealth and sophistication, that walking through it feels like entering an entirely new universe of elegance. This is not just a house, it is a statement of power, prestige, and perfection. Prepare yourself for an exclusive tour filled with architectural mastery, bespoke craftsmanship, unparalleled amenities, and design choices that push the boundaries of imagination. By the time this video ends, you'll understand exactly why this home is considered the crown jewel of elite British real estate. As the aerial shot glides toward the estate, the full scale of magnificence begins to reveal itself. This palatial mansion stretches across acres of manicured grounds, seamlessly integrated into its private countryside setting. From above, you can see the symmetrical landscaping, the cascading terraces, and the pristine private lake reflecting the property's breathtaking facade. Built using the highest grade limestone sourced from established quarries known for their historic application in royal structures, the exterior design is inspired by classical European palaces fused with modern minimalist accents. The architecture stands proudly with towering columns, arched glass installations, custom fitted bronze window frames, and an entrance driveway lined with imported Italian marble cobblestones. Now imagine arriving here. As you approach the main gates, which are handcrafted 20-foot custom bronze sculptures equipped with AI biometric access, the driveway sweeps past lush gardens curated by world-renowned landscape artists. The selection of exotic trees, precision-trimmed hedges, seasonal floral patterns, and ambient lighting creates an almost cinematic drive toward the grand entrance. At night, fiber optic lighting embedded into the pathways and subtle uplighting angled toward the facade highlight every architectural line. If first impressions could speak, this one would confidently whisper, "Welcome to a world beyond luxury." Stepping out of your vehicle, a concierge-style porter station greets you, and ahead lies the main entrance. Two massive pivot doors, crafted from ultra-premium walnut with brushed, gold-inlaid patterns, open silently via hydraulic automation. And immediately, your breath is taken away. The foyer is a masterpiece, a 40-foot high atrium ceiling crowned with a gallery of individually suspended hand-blown crystal globes from a custom chandelier designed exclusively for this house. The marble underfoot is a continuous slab of Calacatta oro, sourced from a single Italian mountain quarry to maintain natural vein continuity. Across this marble sits an artistic inlay that tracks the exact geometry of the chandelier above, an alignment designed over several years of engineering. Straight ahead, floor to ceiling smart. Tinted glass opens to a panoramic view of the rear lawn, infinity pool, and private lake. To the left and right, sweeping dual staircases curve upward, inspired by royal palace architecture, but incorporated with LED lighting within the handrails and vibration. Absorbing technology. Walking slowly into the main reception area, the scale of luxury becomes increasingly evident. This space is designed for hosting royalty, CEO, international celebrities, and high-ticket private events. The furniture is entirely bespoke, hand-stitched leathers, velvet finishes, and gold-plated trims. It features a grand piano, a marble fireplace so large and minimalistic it feels sculptural rather than functional, with an organic ethanol flame floating across the horizontal cut. A discrete, ultra-high-definition media screen can rise from the marble surface at the push of a button. Hidden speakers embedded within the ceilings provide 360-degree sound optimized by acousticians who usually only work on world-class concert halls. The ceilings feature meticulously hand-painted gradient finishes, transitioning from warm champagne tones to soft pearl white, and are softly illuminated by recessed perimeter lighting. Automated drapery using adaptive light sensors adjusts in real time based on sunlight. The smart home system in this property is controlled through voice activation, biometric recognition, or integrated touch glass panels seamlessly installed into walls. Moving into the formal dining room, you're presented with a table made from a single slab of black hemlock wood, polished and finished to absolute mirror perfection. Seating 12 guests comfortably, it is surrounded by upholstered armchairs featuring sustainably sourced leather. Above you, a pendant lighting sculpture crafted from brushed platinum extends horizontally, with individual crystal drops aligned to reflect light onto the table evenly. The walls are wrapped in silk paneling, creating incredible acoustics and warmth. Adjacent is a wine vault surrounded by floor-to-ceiling armored glass, housing over 3,000 bottles, maintained at perfect humidity and temperature levels using industrial-grade climate technology masked within luxurious architecture. Transitioning into the kitchen, we find a balance of advanced technology and refined craftsmanship. Designed by one of Europe's most exclusive luxury kitchen companies, it features dual island layout, ultra-premium composite stone countertops with under-glass touchscreen interfaces built directly into the surfaces. Cabinetry finished in champagne matte lacquer with soft, closing rimless technology. Appliances include full-size chef-grade ovens, blast freezers, molecular gastronomy prep tools, and a private cold storage facility leading directly to an underground pantry. Adjacent is a discreet staff corridor providing access to service quarters and a dual-level catering kitchen for large events. Moving further, we explore one of multiple lounges, each designed with a unique ambience. The first lounge is a more intimate setting with wall bookshelves featuring leather-bound volumes, wood veneer paneling, and a suspended fireplace designed in a 360-degree glass enclosure. Seating here is low, set, plush, and intentionally arranged for private conversation. Lighting is ambient, and the space can convert, via hidden sliding partitions, into a private cinema room equipped with a 4D projection system and reclining massage loungers. Heading downstairs, we enter the leisure sector of the mansion. Prepare for one of the most incredible private wellness facilities ever constructed within a private home. An indoor spa spanning over 12,000 square feet, featuring a sky-lit hydrotherapy pool lined in gold mosaic tiles. Surrounding areas include a Himalayan salt sauna, cryotherapy chamber, flotation tank room, aromatic steam capsules, and treatment rooms that rival those in 5-star Swiss health resorts. A glass hallway leads to a fully equipped gym with commercial-grade machinery, including anti-gravity treadmills, VR workout systems, and a personal training studio. Adjacent lies a private indoor pool lit via underwater luminescent panels which adapt based on mood selection. Continuing deeper, we arrive at the entertainment wing. This includes a Formula One-style racing simulator, professional 2-lane bowling alley with automatic lighting tracking ball movement, virtual golf simulator integrated with tracking radar, a private nightclub with soundproofing, DJ booth, and modular dance floor. The bar here is stunning, set in an onyx marble slab that appears to glow from within, backlit with adaptive LED diffusion. Even the glasses are custom-made. Now let's head to the upper floors. The principal suite occupies an entire wing of the mansion. Opening the door, you enter a grand vestibule leading into an oversized bedroom overlooking the estate through 10-meter wide clear glass. A private sitting room, fireplace, early morning tea station, and full-size concealed projection system create an environment that shifts from relaxing retreat to personal theater. The walk-in wardrobe is beyond comparisons. Scanning system recognizes garments and suggests outfits, rotating through automated carousel displays. Full-length mirrors incorporate smart cameras for 360-degree styling preview. The principal bathroom is designed to represent the epitome of sophistication. A freestanding bathtub, carved from a single block of rare stone, sits on a heated marble platform overlooking garden views. Twin vanities are backlit with mirror-integrated lighting. The shower suite includes 12 jets, steam capabilities, aromatherapy delivery, and heated seating within. Surfaces use antibacterial self-healing materials. Additional bedrooms all en suite, each designed with distinct themes derived from European classical, ultramodern Japanese minimalism, and boutique hotel luxury. Every room includes private terraces, touch-glass wardrobes, underfloor heating, and atmospheric lighting. Outside, the rear grounds include a multi-tier infinity pool, underwater sound system, and floating island relaxation bays. Further features, floodlit tennis court, art garden showcasing curated sculptures, private boathouse, helicopter landing pad, and a climate-controlled 8-car showroom garage with rotating platforms. Technological integration includes advanced perimeter surveillance, drone deterrence, panic tunnels, and safe room with independent life support. We now move towards the conclusion. What truly makes this home extraordinary is not only its staggering features or luxurious materials, but the fact that every element has been executed to perfection. A team of over 600 specialists, including architects, craftsmen, engineers, artists, and tech experts, collaborated over multiple years. The interior fit-out alone extended over 18 months for fine detailing. Everything from the bespoke door handles to the custom fragrance diffusers programmed into the air system has been considered. Walking back toward the main foyer, it becomes clear this is more than real estate. It is a micro-universe of ultra-luxury living. A property in which time seems to slow down, where technology and artistry become one, and where the idea of home becomes something truly transcendent. As the camera slowly pulls away, capturing the mansion illuminated against the evening sky, one thing is certain: this is not just the most luxurious home in the UK. This is a global benchmark for residential excellence. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary tour. If you enjoyed exploring this breathtaking property, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exclusive showcase of the world's finest homes. This is Elite Estate Tours, and until next time, dream bigger, live deeper, and continue exploring luxury at the highest level.